Hi everyone, welcome to IT Junction for All. If you are a software tester or planning a career in testing, this video is a must watch. What AI can do. Let's first understand what AI can actually do in testing. AI can generate test cases in seconds. It can write automation scripts using tools like ChatGPT and Copilot. It can even execute regression tests faster than humans. AI is excellent at handling repetitive and data heavy tasks. So, yes, AI is powerful. But what AI cannot do? Here is the reality: AI cannot think like a human. It cannot fully understand user emotions or real world scenarios. It cannot perform true exploratory testing. So, this is the big limitation. What is the real truth about AI? So, will AI replace testers? No, big no. But testers who don't learn AI may be replaced. The role is not disappearing, it is evolving. With the help of AI, testers are getting empowered. So, what is the future of testers? Testers are becoming AI powered quality engineers. You will use AI to write scripts faster, analyze bugs smarter, deliver better quality. That is, human plus AI is the future. Don't fear about AI, better learn it. So, uh, remember one thing: AI won't replace testers, but testers using AI will replace others. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, like, share, and subscribe to IT Junction for All for more content like this. Thank you.